Welcome back. Today is January 2026, and the wait is finally over. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is officially here. It's a point release, so it's all about polish, cinnamon 6.6, and stability. If you're on 22.2 Zara, I'm going to show you how to jump to 22.3 in under 5 minutes. Open the Update Manager and make sure your system is up to date. Now, the system is up to date. Before we touch any system files, we need a safety net. Open Time Shift from your menu. If you haven't set it up, do it now. Click Create to take a snapshot of your 22.2 system. If anything goes sideways during the upgrade, you can roll back like nothing ever happened. Here is the magic button. In the Update Manager, go to the Edit menu. You should see a new option. Upgrade to Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. Click that. A window will pop up with the release notes and information on new features like the redesigned Cinnamon application menu and new system icons. Hit Next, check the I understand the risks box and click Apply. The system will now download and install the new packages. Once it's done, you must reboot. Okay, the installation was completed and I rebooted the system. After the restart, go to System Info to verify you're officially on version 22.3. Enjoy the new polished experience. That's it, fast, stable, and simple. If you want to see the new features in 22.3, check out the video in the description. If this helped you get onto Zena, hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux Mint tips. See you in the next one.